Thank you for coming to kshb.com and taking a look at the blog. Well, 9 below zero, about the coldest we can see here at KCI. So how long has it been? For December, the coldest was December 5th. The last time it got this cold was December 15th, 1989. 1989, it was 16 below. January 6, 2014, it was 11 below. So in January, it was back on 2014. And for February, the last time it was this cold, it was 2011. So for December, it has not been this low since 1989. Wow, look at that. Let's take a look at some of the temperatures around the area, and we'll go back to this here. Temperatures, as I said, around 16 below in 1989, making it, as I said, the coldest. Today being the coldest in December since then. Now, 9 below here, it is 24 below in Sioux Falls, 30 below zero in Aberdeen, South Dakota, 16 below in Pierre, South Dakota. What about the wind chills up there? 53 below zero in Aberdeen. It's been as low as 55 below. That is ridiculous. We have a 20 below zero wind chill, so that's cold enough. But my goodness, that is ridiculous. It has been years since we have had wind chills that low here in the United States. Another interesting thing is snow cover. Now we got a report of 4.1 inches of snow in Stewartsville, east of St. Joseph, and that's right in the middle of a 2 to 4 inch snow band that fell from northeast Kansas into northwest Missouri and right into the Kansas City area. About 2 inches Overland Park, Olathe. One of the official sites in Pleasant Hill. The Weather Service had 1.8 inches, so 1 to 2 inches down to the south. But this is the southern part of an extensive area of snow cover. And we're about to see a pattern change to milder air, but all of this snow cover will have an impact in inhibiting the warm-up. Instead of maximizing it and getting as warm as we could, it'll be thwarted a little bit, but still, it'll be much better than the air we see right now. And over the winter wheat, great to see that snow on the ground because it was 10, 15 below zero there, which would really hurt the wheat if there was no snow on the ground. But there's snow on the ground, so that helps. Storm that came through yesterday as off to the east coast and weakening. The rain and the snow all moving away, and we are in for some sunshine today. However, it's going to be cold. 5 at noon, and this afternoon warming up to only around 10. Now, we may fall off to 0 to 5 degrees by around 11 o'clock tonight, but then it will rise by morning. So we're going for a low of 0, but that low may be right around or just after midnight, because by morning it's going to start to drift up as we have a southwest wind as the Arctic air makes an exit. Look at that, 21 in Rapid City, 19 in Bismarck, so not as cold in the morning. You see the winds are coming in from the southwest, and tomorrow we're going to get close to 30 degrees into the upper 20s with a southwest wind. What's going on in the upper level pattern? This Arctic air plummeted into the United States as the jet stream has sagged way to the south. We had a flow coming in from Siberia, but that is in the process of changing rapidly. The flow is going to be coming in more off of the Pacific, which means the Arctic air retreats. Seasonable cold and mainly dry. So for the week ahead, no big storm systems, seasonable cold. And yes, I do see it is misspelled. Seasonable is misspelled. We'll get that changed. And good travel weather as we go into the Christmas weekend. And yes, that box jumped too. So I'll work on that graphic. We'll make it better. So the forecast for today, 10 a.m. 0, noon 4, 4 p.m. 10, and then 7 at 8, 10 at 5 p.m., and then starting to drift up a little bit with those south winds. And here's the 7-day. It's dry, and temperatures warming into the 30s and 40s. Next Friday, it might get close to 50 degrees. How about that? So if it's going to be a white Christmas, we're going to need the snow on the ground now to stick around, and it's going to have a hard time doing that. But in some locations, that might be the case. Have a great day and great week ahead, and stay warm.